Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Kevin here. We're out at our buddy's shop tonight. By the sounds of it, I purchased another car. I don't really need it, but I bought it. So it's a 64 Ford.
It's not that one.
No, it's a 64 Ford Ranchero there. It's got a little 302 and a 4-speed on it. And yeah, we've got to move a couple cars here tonight and jack up the red car, put the tires on it, move it around, and well, when we get it out, we'll have a good look at it and go from there. So we'll keep you posted. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun,
Almost got this on the floor. Tires on it, just sweeping out dirt. The shop hasn't been worked in over 10 years.
More than that, man.
More than that? 15 years?
Time lapse anyways.
Maybe. What's that?
Welder.
Turn wheels? I can't get in there.
This is let's get a quick finger. That one.
Did you roll down this window? You want the window down?
Keep going with the wheel.
That should be good. Derek moved it a little bit.
Here's the starting mix.
You got the wheel?
Yeah.
Dave, you might wanna, even if you just roll down the window.
The window's down.
Yeah, okay. Alright. Hopefully it's got some bad chat crawling on the rear window. Oh yeah. Watch the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch that fender.
Now we'll have to skid the outside again.
I think Kevin would like a nice fender. 65 grill.
Yeah.
You want to fool the audience?
Is that what he said? Yeah. That's what he said.
It's 64 but 65 grill. Oh, you gonna talk about your whip?
You want to put the hood open or?
Oh, put the air cleaner straight. Yeah.
It's gotta go fast now.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a little 302 engine. It looks like it's got an aftermarket intake on it, a Holly carburetor. I bought it from a friend of ours named Brian, Bald Brian. He used to drive this for a while. It's a 64 Ranchero, but with a 65 grill in it. And then you see it's sat for a while, how much dust is on it. And again, it's a 4-speed car. Someone put a different set of seats in it, but it appears to be a pretty solid car though. They started doing previous work and then I guess they just lost interest in it, so this sure weighs a ton, the taillight. The bed appears to be in pretty good shape though. I've got the taillights for it. I got the stainless for it as well. Again, it's sat here for a while. I don't know if it's well over 10-15 years, so.
And you did get aluminum slots for,
yeah, I got
for it.
Brian was nice enough to give me some different rims for it as well.
I say run them.
Yeah, it's different. It's either you like them or you hate them, right? So
Needs a little work, but
Okay, go.
Like and subscribe if you like what you see.